Hi friends, and welcome back to Akshata's recipes. Thank you so much for being here today. So whenever you have an unexpected guest, or you're looking for a tiffin item, or you just are hungry and want to make a very quick snack which is it takes less than 10 minutes, today I've got you covered. Today's recipe is an instant Rava Upma which you can make in a jiffy, few ingredients. So let's jump into the video, and after the video there is a shout out for a special subscriber. So let's start with the recipe. Now I've heated up a pan and I'm going to add 1 vati, but you can also use a cup of semolina or rava. Now what I do is I use the fine rava because it cooks fast. So I'm going to roast this, dry roast it, and I've also kept 2 cups of the same measurement of water for boiling. We have to bring the water to a complete boil. Now keep stirring the rava, and then once it's done, transfer it to a bowl. Wipe the pan very clean. There should be no rava in the pan. And then just add about 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. Now our water has boiled, so you can turn it off. Now once the ghee is nice and hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once they begin to splutter, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin and 1 green chili cut fine, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, and some fresh curry leaves. Now give all of this a good fry. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, followed by some cashew nuts. Fry everything really well in this ghee. And then I'm going to add 1 medium onion that I've chopped fine. Fry the onion well too. And now we're going to add the roasted rava. Now you should roast your rava really well, stirring it continuously or in intervals till you get the aroma of the rava. Then you're going to add some salt to taste. And I like to add a pinch of sugar, that is about 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything well. And now we're going to scrape all the sides and bring everything to the center, because now we're going to add the hot water. So everything should come to the center. And now you're going to pour the hot water. So please be careful because the water does splutter. And then just immediately cover it. Don't stir. Cover and cook it for about 2 minutes on a low to medium flame. After 2 minutes, stir everything very well. There will be some water still left. So we're going to again cover and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes on a low to medium flame. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, we're just going to give it a nice stir. And then you will see that everything leaves the sides of the pan. So now we just have to garnish it with some finely chopped coriander. Mix it in well. Then we're going to turn off the heat. And I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon. Again, mix everything nicely. Now I like to squeeze a lemon in the spoon, because if there are any seeds or pips, then you can remove it. Mix everything well. And our upma or upit is ready. Now I'm just going to grease 1 vati or a bowl with some ghee. Then I'm going to take the rava, fill it up to the brim and just press it down. Then I'm going to take a plate in which I'm going to serve this. Just put it on top of the rava and take off the bowl or the vati. Doesn't that look pretty? It looks very nice for presentation, and just decorate with some coriander. So today's shout out goes to Victoria D'Souza. Victoria also has been writing to me for quite some time. Her messages are very sweet and very supportive and always very, very encouraging. Thank you so much, Victoria. May God bless you and your loved ones and your family. Stay healthy, be happy, have a lovely day and a lovely year, and always keep writing to me. Watch my videos, spread the word about Akshata's recipes, and take care of yourself. Lots of love, Akshata. So wasn't that quick, simple? 1 vati of rava, 2.5 vatis of water, few small ingredients which we always have in our kitchen, and your instant breakfast, tiffin item, snack is all ready. So I hope you will try out today's recipe. Do give it a like. I do need those likes. Watch the video till the end. I need those views. And share my recipes with family and friends. Thank you so much for supporting my channel by watching my recipes. And I'll catch you soon in my next video, sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying goodbye. Take care. Be loving and kind to one another, and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.